Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say hi, hello, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining me and deciding to follow my journey and joining this community. And for the people that I'm already in community with, thank you so much for returning and just for continuing to support my channel. So this is actually kind of an impromptu video because I was in the bathroom twisting my locks together to see how I feel about combining them, and I thought this would be a good thing for me to jump on camera and do. Something's falling. Oh, okay, that's something in my closet. Okay, so I know y'all might not be able to see, so I'm gonna do some on camera, but I'm gonna show you what I've already done. So what I've done so far, and I don't plan on doing my whole head. As you can probably see, I'm definitely due for a retightening. I haven't had a retightening in about 2 months now, since after Christmas. So it ain't been 2 months yet, but my next retightening is scheduled for the 26th. So at that point, it will be two months. I'm not gonna like twist them and interlock them together or nothing like that. But what I've done so far is I've, for these locks, I combined 2 of my sister locks. So this lock is 2 locks. All these locks are 2 locks. This is 2 locks, and as you can see, they get thicker. They get thicker as I go forward because my locks get bigger as you go back, if that makes sense. So this first one, even though it's 2 locks, is still small in comparison to this one, which is also 2 locks, but it's because the thickness changes. So all these locks right here are 2. And then these locks right here, as you can see, they're thick, and I'm really surprised, you know, because I've been battling with combining my hair, and so I thought that I wouldn't like this, but I think I'm kind of feeling a way. I think I kind of like this a little bit. This is 4 locks combined together, both these 2. So I did 2 in this section and 4 in this section to see how I feel about it, and I actually like this size. I think it's a dope size. Now I'm also not sure what will happen. Like if I were to leave them like this, I think they would obviously get thicker because of swelling and going through the locking process, but this would definitely be a nice size to like probably retwist and still be somewhat small. So what I'm gonna do right now, so you guys can see, and this is just a trial, like I'm not gonna do my whole head. I honestly don't think it's wise to do my whole head since it's not retightened. Okay, so this is a row and this is a row. And so what I did originally was I would take the locks that lined up in each row and twist. So if this is the first lock in this row and this is the first lock in this row, I would twist like this and bring them together. But I actually think that it's better to twist the locks that are next to each other in the same row. I'm trying to think about how it feels on my head, and I think that feels better. So this lock is not in this row, so that means it would be these 2 locks. So I would just twist them like this, and I'm not twisting tightly again because I don't know if this is the route that I want to go. As y'all can see, I'm not gonna make this video longer than it needs to be, but as y'all can see, I'm combining two locks together, and it doesn't look different, really. It doesn't look that different from the locks that I already have, which to me, that's a good thing, because that means I could combine them, and I might not have to do my whole head because the back locks are pretty thick, you know. And so if I could combine them and decrease them in number, that would make some of the maintenance easier, because I'll just have less locks. But also, I've really come to like a thicker lock, which I will talk about in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, and not just show y'all, get y'all opinion. Like, y'all have been with me every step of this journey, like every step of this way. Y'all see me have meltdowns on this channel. Like, y'all seen me go through everything. I think I messed up in terms of, like, it's not, I may have skipped a lock or something. Like, I'm a lock off. Like, it's not perfectly straight, but for the purposes of the demonstration, that's okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking two locks on each, I'm sorry, y'all. Two locks on each side, so that makes 4. And I'm combining 4 locks just to see how I like it and how they look in comparison to if I just combine 2 locks. They don't even look that different, but I guess it would look different. It would look different when they swell. So this will be 5 locks. So let me put this one back here, and that's 2 on each side. I feel like y'all probably turn on this, come on this channel and be like, man, we don't know what we gonna get with her today. One minute she love her locks, next minute she don't, next minute she doing all this. But y'all be sticking with me, and I really appreciate it, because I don't really have, like, you know, people that I can talk to about this stuff in terms of, like, just like understanding, you know, my hair and what I've been going through. Some people, like, people don't really get it, but because y'all have been there with me and for me since day one, it's like y'all the only people that, like, really understand what I be going through. These are all the combined locks, and I did it off a center part, so I should try to keep it like that. But I feel like y'all can't see that. Like, I feel like it don't even look like nothing. Like, okay, so this is 4 locks combined on this side, and this is 4 locks combined on this side. See how much thicker this one is than this one? And this one, well, I guess these back ones look about the same thickness, actually, to me. Yeah, they look about the same thickness. So maybe it's just this one. So the 4 locks, you know, the combining 4 locks, it doesn't look bad, and I actually think I like it, but I don't know how that would turn out in the long run. Whereas you guys can see, this combination of 2 locks, all these in my hand are just 2 locks combined. It doesn't even look different than my regular hair right now. Like, and in some ways that's a good thing, because I don't want to, I feel like if I don't combine properly, then my hair will look a little crazy. But in some ways that's kind of not a good thing, because I did want them to be thicker. So And I know some people combine 3 locks, but to be honest, I don't even know how you could properly combine 3 locks without having a jacked up grid, just because the way the SISTERLOCKS grid is set up is symmetrical. Like, it means I would have to like have an uneven thing. So for me, it's like either combine 2 or 4. That's kind of how I look at it, because you can pull from an even place. And even last time I went to see my loctician, she said for the most part my grid is still intact, so it would be odd for me to combine an odd number of locks. It's doable, definitely, but I think it would give me a different look than what I'm going for. But while we on camera, I guess I can try it, and I guess I would just do a 3-strand twist. Y'all, this is a 30-day trial. If I don't like it, then I'm getting my money back. No, I'm being silly. Actually, the thickness of the of 3 locks put together is nice. It's really nice. So that is the thickness of 3 strands. Yo, we got 2 strands, 2 strands, 3 strands, and 4 strands. 2 strands, 3 strands, 4 strands. 2 strands, 3 strands, 4 strands. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. I feel like it doesn't even look different, but everything else just blends in, and I don't know, y'all. This is what it's looking like. Tell me what y'all think about the size in the comment section below. Tell me if you think if I want a new lock size, whether I would just be better off cutting it off. I know a lot of you, a lot of my SISTERLOCK people who started with me, they no longer have SISTERLOCK, so I would be grateful if you shared your experience in the comment section below. People who have traditional locks, I would also welcome your experience. And if you combine any type of locks you have, I would welcome your experience. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.